In this Blender tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to duplicate your workspace in Blender. You know what's quite funny is that I wanted recently to duplicate my workspace, and I decided to actually download Blender on Steam just so I have another workspace. When in reality I could have easily just duplicate my workspace in Blender, which is possible, which I didn't know. I didn't know that was possible, right? And I had a very interesting idea of downloading Blender on Steam, which was a very tedious process for installing Blender on Steam when I could have easily duplicated my workspace. No, okay, now I'll stop telling you my story. And I'll show you how you can duplicate. It's quite easy. So apparently, if you right click on the layout here on modeling, right click, you can click here on duplicate. That's funny. Actually, it's not really funny, but it's sad. But yeah, now you have one workspace here. Now I'm not gonna even mention that you can even create another one here. Let's say, and now you have a two, maybe two here, but that's two workspaces. Yeah. So now you can duplicate as many workspaces as you want. That's why I love Blender. It's customization power here. We have the customization power here.